Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 4-wheel drive. Laser blue metallic paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's jump right in and take a look at all of the different features that this vehicle has to offer. First we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have your several different driving modes, some interior and exterior lighting controls, the black and gray bucket seats with manual controls and power controls on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, while the right has your voice recognition and directional controls for the screen in front of you, which has plenty of information and vehicle maintenance screens here that you can scroll through. The entertainment display in the center has your audio. This will be AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. Phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, navigation, or your OnStar navigation, as well as the radio controls just below the screen. Home button, of course, brings you back to the screen here. Below the radio controls, you'll find your climate control. This has your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls, with a few more settings below, including your trailering settings, lamps for the bed of the truck, hill descent control, and your heated seats for the driver and the passenger. Storage at the front with a couple of outlets for you to use. Dual cup holder next to the shifter with a small storage compartment just in front of the center console, which you can open that up for more storage space inside and an additional outlet for you to use. Up top you have the rear view mirror. You also have some interior lighting controls located above you and the sunglasses holder at the front. And just in front of the passenger, you have the glove box, which is quite spacious, so there's some storage space in the front if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that laser blue metallic paint, the bow tie Chevrolet emblem in the center of the dark grille with the Z71 emblem in the corner. Aluminum wheels with the bow tie center caps, paint matched mirror caps, with your blind spot mirror at the front, paint matched door handles, black assist steps that run along the side. At the back you have the Z71 off-road emblem in the corner, Colorado V6 emblem in the corner of the tailgate with the bow tie emblem in the center. We'll open up the tailgate here. You have plenty of storage space in the back with cargo tie-down locations at each corner, and the EZ-Lift Tailgate makes it easy to close when you're all done. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same color scheme that you had in the front with magazine holder on the back of the passenger seat. The same black and gray seating. The center will fold down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You can pull the handle on the side to lift the seats, giving you access to the underseat storage. And on the back of the center console, you have a few outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 4-wheel drive. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.